Howdy y'all, my name's Terry, and this here's my brother Jerry. We're full-time gold prospectors from the state of Tennessee. We can't mine no more because EPA Regulation 619 came into effect. So as a result, we can't use any motors, pumps, any dredges. Now in the state of California, dredging has been outlawed for years. So we were talking to some local miners, and they brought us to a claim here where the claim owner said we can use some of his equipment and we can try it out. As Terry said, we've come up here to Appleberry Creek in California. We have some equipment on site. We're going to be using gravity dredge. We're going to be using a dam system. We're going to build up the dam and we're going to blow the dam to wash all of that there overburden downstream. And then finally, when all the overburden is gone, we're going to set up a gravity high banker and we're going to shovel straight into it all day long. We learn how to use this. We're going to take these skills and transfer them back to Tennessee, where our own mine is. The claim owner takes 50%, but he gave us all this kit to try out so we can learn. Hope you all going to enjoy the journey. We're going to get loads done, and we're going to find a lot of gold. One of the first things we got to do here at this claim is we got a couple of big rocks. I'm talking huge 2-ton boulders. So I got to get these 2-ton boulders downstream. We're going to work together, and we're going to get that big rock moved, and we're going to get the whole site cleared, and then we're going to build a dam, and we're going to flush all the overburden out of here. This is what we do in Tennessee, and this is what we're going to do here. So come on, folks, join us on this journey as we go forth and find that gold. All right, y'all, so we downstream where this big boulder is. Now, I got a winch here. Normally, we hook it up, we got it anchored in place, we press a button, and that there rock just roll on downstream. But this one, because no motor, I got a mechanical winch, and it's really difficult to get this thing working. We're almost at a point where it's gonna work, and I need it to work, because I need this rock out of the way. I'm gonna go ahead and show you exactly what I'm doing. So this right here, this is the rock I want to move. So what I'm going to do is, I'm going to tank this there boulder and bring them downstream. So when we build a dam and blow it, it's going to take all this dirt, muck, overburden, and push it on downstream. Jerry's upstream at the minute. He's setting up the camp. He's finished with that. He'll come down and help me. And I'm hoping he has everything built from the campsite before the sun goes down. Because as you can see, it's starting to go down. So this here's the other rock that we need to move. First, we got to focus on the first one. I'm going to go ahead and press the button on the camera that makes it go flicky fast. And when we have the rock downstream, then we're going to be able to build the flood dam and flood out all of this overburden. It'll be about 30 seconds for y'all. It's going to take me a while. Maybe Jerry will drop in later and he might help us out. We're twins, by the way, in case you hadn't guessed. So I'm going to go ahead and make sure he's wearing something different so you can tell us apart. I'm Terry, and he's my brother Jerry. Right, let's just go work on that. Let's move that there rock. Well, sir, we have ourselves a problem. It appears that there rock is more than 1 ton. I'm going to have to do now, I'm going to have to change them cable around so we use the mechanical advantage. I really wish we could just blow this thing up.